Hello everyone, how to towards back with app review video, and in this video I'm going to share with you an app review. It's called Gleeden Extramarital Dating. So here you can see the rating of the app 3.8 out of 5 and 27k reviews, and the size of the app it's really light, 5.9 megabyte, and 1 million plus people already downloaded this app or use this app. Okay, so you can see some screenshot. Join million of members like you. Dating site for discreet encounters. Get in touch with people near you in just a few clicks. Enjoy messaging and chatting with the members you like. Give access to your photos only to members of your choice. See where it goes. Join now. So it's really simple, and the user interface is really mesmerizing. And we'll see about this app. Extramarital encounters conceived by women with over 10 million active member. So its website also available, and 100% real members. In entrances and content moderation, they're supportive. The app is released 2017, and they're updating the app every month. Okay, and we'll see some reviews and ratings, what people actually thought about this app. So you can see, got people to task with, but the package is too costly. So it's not totally free, but there are some free feature you can use. And we'll see some negative reviews. Wish I could give it 0 star. Random blank profile will take you, and when you open the notification it will directly take you to inbox, deducting your credits. These profiles will then just disappear, block you. Probably employed by the app creators to eat up your credit. Have reported multiple times but never got my credit refund. So they give many people give the bad reviews, but overall the app is looking good. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.